Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you discover the smartest tech for your space. Today, we're talking about what we believe to be the best smart life strip lights on the market, the Govee RGBIC LED strip lights. Let's get into why this 16.4 feet strip from Govee deserves your attention. These aren't your average LED lights. What sets them apart is the RGBIC technology. That means instead of displaying just one color along the whole strip like traditional RGB lights, each segment can display a different color simultaneously. A mesmerizing rainbow-like effect that transforms your room into a fully immersive color experience. You can select from over 16 million colors, adjust brightness, and toggle through preset modes. But what really makes this feel premium is the level of personalization. You're not just picking colors, you're creating scenes. Whether you want a calm reading light or a vibrant party show, you can build it, save it, and even share it with the Govee community inside the app. And speaking of party mode, Govee took things up a notch with their upgraded music sync. There are 11 music modes built in, and a high-sensitivity microphone listens to the music around you in real time. Whether you're watching a movie, dancing, or just relaxing with friends, your lighting matches the beat, creating an energetic vibe you can feel. The app also includes 64+ preset scenes, making it easy to set the mood in a single tap. These aren't just basic color cycles, they're designed for specific occasions like movies, holidays, romantic dinners, or gaming sessions. With new AI-generated themes rolling out regularly, there's always something fresh to explore. As for installation, Govee includes strong adhesive backing, but they do recommend prepping your surface by cleaning and drying it well. This helps the strip stay secure and smooth. Just a heads up, this model is made for indoor use, so avoid placing it outdoors or in high humidity areas. One thing to note is that this particular version doesn't support voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. So if you're looking for voice control, you might want to look at Govee's Wi-Fi enabled or Matter-compatible alternatives. It's ideal for bedrooms, home offices, dorms, or anywhere you want your space to feel more alive. That wraps up today's review. If you're looking to upgrade your environment with smart lighting, the Govee RGBIC LED strip is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart tech reviews here on Product Critique. See you next time.